See the plains of the days of old, just a century ago, when stories of peace were told, of how Galilee ran through the Jordan River. What remains are cold tales of war, of the death and dying. Bomb shells are flying, bodies multiplying. See the children crying, what are they fighting for? I will pray for you, oh Palestine. Oh Palestine, I will carry you, oh Palestine.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside.